Hi there, Dr. Andrea Shanowski, and I'm here today to talk to you about some research that matters. So many of you may not know, but chiropractic care can actually boost your immune system. So for those of you that are having some body signals and sickness and kind of a malaise or cold-like symptoms or sinus issues going on, your body is trying to tell you something. It's telling you that it's stressed, it's not working properly. So just to give you some tips here and talk to you about some research, there's a lot of research out there on chiropractic and helping to boost the immune system. So when we perform a chiropractic adjustment and stimulate your nerves to function better and balance better, you actually have two parts of your nervous system. You have your parasympathetic and your sympathetic nervous system. Your sympathetic nervous system is your fight or flight response. That's going to cause inflammation, high blood pressure, high cholesterol levels, and also lead to issues with blood sugar balance and autoimmune conditions. So when our immune systems are out of balance and our sympathetic nervous system is overactive, we're going to have a lot of symptoms of inflammation. So when we perform a chiropractic adjustment, we're balancing those systems out a little bit better to help reduce inflammation and get your body functioning better. But there's actually been a study looking at AIDS patients, and they found that a chiropractic adjustment can improve and actually boost those immune cell numbers by 200%. So that means that your body literally gets an immune boost every time that you get an adjustment. So it's a great idea to make sure that if you are feeling sick, if you're noticing your body's a little run down and ragged, you make sure you get in for an adjustment. But we also need to make sure that we are keeping our body getting the fuel that it needs to heal. So when our body is sick, it needs a little bit more time to focus on the healing process. So that means we need to eat the right foods. Even though you're feeling sick, you may not want to eat the foods that would be good for you because they don't really sound good, especially if your throat is sore or you have some upper respiratory things going on. So a couple things I recommend when you do feel under the weather or are feeling some sickness. Number one, we need to make sure we keep our blood sugar up. So usually I recommend going with a natural orange juice, one that is fresh squeezed or one that is not from concentrate, to help make sure that we have blood sugar coming in and also some great vitamin C. The other thing I recommend is getting some really great broth. Bone broth is probably the best out there because that has a lot of minerals your body needs to actually start the healing process. But another thing that can be really good is yogurt. Yogurt that is full of probiotics and low in sugar is actually going to help to not only boost your immune system, but help your body fight that off faster. So make sure you're getting adjusted and eating the right things to help the healing process.